It's chilly outside, but warm and cozy indoors. And making a delicious treat to share and enjoy from your own kitchen would be ideal. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with banana butterscotch bread. So let's get started. Let's make the butterscotch sauce. Butter makes everything taste good. Let's prepare the bananas. Time for the wet ingredients. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Let's build the bread. Set your timer for 70 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Butterscotch was first made in Doncaster, England in the early 1800s by confectioner Samuel Parkinson. Its popularity soared after Queen Victoria was given a tin of these sweets in 1851. It is now used to flavor other sweets and treats. Looks great right out of the oven. Glaze the top with that amazing butterscotch sauce. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's have a piece of this amazing banana butterscotch bread. Wow, this banana butterscotch bread combines ripe bananas, rich butterscotch morsels, homemade butterscotch sauce, spices, and a buttery aroma that fills the kitchen with irresistible sweetness. Everyone will really enjoy it. Please leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like a cozy day indoors. Stay with us. Watch the next video.